Hi YouTube, this is John Laveza again with another box break. This is another personal box break, and no one bought into this. This is just a personal box I was able to pick up on eBay. Picked it up for about $6 something, auction, free shipping. Felt like that was a pretty good deal. Here today we have a 2013 Panini Monster Box. It has 3 exclusive Prizm cards you can only get in these boxes. It has 5 score 2013 packs. And 2 Prizm hobby packs from 2013 as well. As you can see, it's sealed from Panini, and it won't be any longer. I also have my penny sleeves, trusty penny sleeves, close by in case we pull any nice hits. A couple guys on PC from 2013: DeAndre Hopkins, Le'Veon Bell, Jason Witten, Luke Kuechly is also in here. Alright. Happy to have you guys here tonight with me. Alright, Mojo. This is a different setup than I tried last time. Okay. Alright, open the box. I did notice any other color besides blue would have been serial numbered, and I got blue. So, go figure. Who would have thunk? And I noticed the first card, but we won't get to that yet. Alright, first card in my first pack of score. It's Aldon Smith, San Francisco 49ers. Morris Claiborne, Dallas Cowboys. J.J. Watt, score, Houston Texans. Jared Cook, St. Louis Cardinals, or Rams. Blaine Gabbert, Jacksonville Jaguars. Rondé Barber, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Richard Sherman, Seattle Seahawks. Red border rookie, Chance Warmack, Tennessee Titans. From Alabama, not a bad card. Air Mail, Mark Sanchez, aka Butt Fumble. Never lived that play down. Regular base rookie, David Amerson, Washington Redskins. NC State, good cornerback. Trent Richardson, franchise, Cleveland Browns. Future franchise, Keem Nicks, New York Giants. Alright, second pack of score. Not a bad first pack, really. A couple of rookies that are decent. I appreciate defensive guys and offensive linemen. So, Tony Romo, first card, Dallas Cowboys. Michael Crabtree, San Francisco 49ers. Tom Brady, New England Patriots. Phillip Rivers, lots of quarterbacks. Phillip Rivers, San Diego Chargers. I'm scared for his life. Patrick Peterson, Arizona Cardinals. Jarius Wright, Minnesota Vikings. C.J. Spiller, Buffalo Bills. Road to the Super Bowl, Dennis Pitta, Baltimore Ravens. Airmail, Joe Flacco, Baltimore Ravens. Rookie base, Deion Jordan, Oregon, Miami Dolphins. Jay Cutler, franchise, Chicago Bears. Future franchise, Eric Berry, Kansas City Chiefs. Alright, third pack of our score. Like how these open. They're easy to open. I like that. Aldon Smith again. Morris Claiborne again. J.J. Watt again. Greg Jennings, Minnesota Vikings, pictured as a Packer. Steve Johnson, Buffalo Bills. Richard Seymour, Oakland Raiders. Joe Hayden, Cleveland Browns. Road to the Super Bowl, Ray Lewis. Airmail, RG3. Base rookie Kobe Hamilton from Arkansas, Cincinnati Bengals. Franchise, PC card, Ben Roethlisberger. Future franchise, Carolina Panthers, Cam Newton. Alright, moving on to the fourth pack of our score. Alright, first card, DeVray Henderson, New Orleans Saints. Alshon Jeffrey, Chicago Bears. Mike Shore, Detroit Lions. Aaron Hernandez, New England Patriots. Matt Flynn, Oakland Raiders. Robert Meacham, San Diego Chargers. Julio Jones, Atlanta Falcons. Guy's been playing some good football lately. Clearly overmatched Saints corner on that play there. A lot of good pictures on this set. We got a hot rookies. EJ Manuel, Buffalo Bills. Good looking set. I like that. I like the design that. Good card. Aaron Rodgers, Airmail, Green Bay Packers. Base rookie Sheldon Richardson, New York Jets. From Missouri. Reggie Wayne, Indianapolis Colts. Russell Wilson, Seattle Seahawks. Future franchise. Alright. Final pack of our score 2013 out of our Monster Box. Still have 2 Prizm hobby packs and a 3 card pack as well. Alright, we got a Santana Moss, Washington Redskins. Got ourselves Demaryius Thomas, Denver Broncos. Got a Reggie Wayne, Indianapolis Colts. Wide receivers, starting this. PC card, Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers. Travaris Jackson, Buffalo Bills. Jared Cook, St. Louis Rams. Yet again. Blaine Gabbert, Jacksonville Jaguars. Yet again. Road to Super Bowl, Justin Tucker, Baltimore Ravens. Not every day you see a kicker card. Good player there too. Andy Dalton, Airmail, Cincinnati Bengals. Base rookie, Tyrone Matthew, aka the Honey Badger. Good player. Arizona Cardinals, LSU. Good card. LaShawn McCoy, franchise, Philadelphia Eagles. Josh Gordon, future franchise, Cleveland Browns. So that was it for our score. Not bad. You know, a lot of good players. Tom Brady, Aaron Rodgers, Russell Wilson, Tyrann Mathieu. I think it's the point of score. You know, you get a lot of good cards, a lot of good base cards, and you know, through the mail. You know, the good cards we can use for that. All right, what we got here for Prizm. Brian Hardline, Miami Dolphins. Victor Cruz, New York Giants. Michael Finley, Green Bay Packers. Lance Moore, New Orleans Saints. This card is backwards. Oh snap. Oh snap, guys. Oh snap. This is why I film these. This is why I do this. So when I get cards like this, y'all get to share in the excitement. This is a good card. This is a good card, y'all. This is a good card. Starting quarterback, Buffalo Bills right now, Tyrod Taylor. Wow. Speechless. I don't see any numbers or numbering, but and it's not a rookie, obviously, but I will gladly take that from my $6 box of cards. Wow, that's going straight to a penny sleeve, guys. When they say straight to a penny sleeve, there you go, straight to a penny sleeve. That's a good card. That's a good card, y'all. That's a good card. We also still have an Alec Ogletree, St. Louis Rams. Still playing for the Rams. Last I checked. Good player, too. Rookie. Then we got a Terrence Williams, HRX, Dallas Cowboys. How about that Tyrod Taylor? That's pretty darn good. Pretty darn good, guys. All right. We got Emmanuel Sanders, Pittsburgh Steelers. Now that will probably be for sale for trade. He is an ex-Steeler, so if you like Emmanuel Sanders, don't have that card, hit me up. It's a nice young card. Marius Thomas, Denver Broncos. His teammate at wide receiver for Denver right now. All right, T.Y. Hill, Indianapolis Colts. Jimmy Graham, New Orleans Saints. Brandon Marshall, Chicago Bears. Jonathan Banks, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And some little Knights thing, whatever. Alright, whatever. Prizm pack. 3 cards. I already see who 2 of them are. Oh. Oh, guys. One's numbered. So I got a Geno Smith, blue, building blocks. Still not bad. Like I said, good time to pull Geno Smith right now. I like Geno coming out of college. Thought he had some skills. Released a little weird and a little slow, but good quarterback stuff. So I got Colin Kaepernick, cornerstones, blue. If Kaepernick can play like he did before, he will be a star again. And then we got a Monty Ball. It is numbered 7 of 49. Building blocks, purple or rainbow or pink. I ain't sure. I'm not sure. Purple. Yeah, purple. Number to 49, it's 7 of 49. If you're a Monty Ball fan, Denver Bronco fan, Wisconsin Badger fan, hey, for sale, for trade. I know he ain't the best player to pull, so. But you know the recap guys, hey, Tyrod Taylor autograph, nice looking card, good player, quarterback, starting quarterback. Numbered Monty Ball card, Geno Smith rookie. Bunch of star players, you know, did pretty good I thought for my $6. Definitely would buy another one of these. Given the opportunity for that price, heck, I'd buy probably 10 at that price if I could. And I'm glad you guys got to share that experience with me. Like and subscribe, comment. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like. It was a different setup for me this time. If you prefer the first setup or have other suggestions, let me know. Thank you again for watching. Please come back for more. I will be getting more unopened wax, not just to open for myself, but potentially also to open for potentially new customers that want to get into some box breaks with me. So let me know if you guys want to do anything like that. Just hit me up on YouTube. I'm also, you know, have Instagram, I have Facebook, Google Plus. I'm always available to comment and talk football cards. So until next time, guys. See ya.